First, we're going to start with this simple simplifying problem of the square root of 72. You'll want to find the biggest square number that will go into it, which is 36, and 2. 36 will reduce down to 6, square root 2. To solve 1 over the square root of 3, you'll want to rationalize the denominator by multiplying it by the square root of 3 over the square root of 3. Your math will be the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 equals the square root of 9, which equals 3. So then your denominator will be 3, and your numerator will be 1 square root of 3.
First step is to multiply the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. To get your denominator, you do the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, which equals the square root of 4, and the square root of 4 equals 2, so your denominator is 2, and your numerator is 1 square root of 2. First step is to multiply the square root of 2 over the square root of 2, and to get your denominator, you do the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, which equals the square root of 4. The square root of 4 equals 2. So your denominator is 2, and your numerator is 6 square root of 2. The next step is to simplify the fraction part. 2 goes into 6 3 times, so your final answer is 3 square root of 2.
For tougher looking problems, it's still important to rationalize the denominator like we've practiced. Remember, the negative in the problem will carry over. So you get negative 3 in the denominator, and for your numerator, you will have 5 square root of 6 times the square root of 3.
Multiply the square roots together, and you get 18 square root of 18. Now you want to simplify the square root, and the biggest square root that you can bring out is the square root of 9 and the square root of 2. The square root of 9 is 3 and 2. Now you have 5 times 3 square root of 2 over negative 3. Now you have 15 square root of 2 over negative 3, and now your last step is to simplify, and you get 5 negative 5 square root of 2. Your first step is to multiply the square root of 6 over the square root of 6, and to get your denominator, you do the square root of 6 times the square root of 6, which equals the square root of 36, and the square root of 36 equals 6. So your denominator is 2 times 6, and that equals 12. Your numerator is now 3 square root of 27 times square root of 6. Now you multiply the square root of 27 times the square root of 6, and that equals the square root of 162. The biggest perfect square that you can pull out of 162 is the square root of 81 and the square root of 2. The square root of 81 is 9, so this part is 9 square root of 2. 3 times 9 is 27, so your numerator is 27 square root of 2 over 12. Now you need to simplify. 3 goes into 27 9 times, and 3 goes into 12 4 times. So your final answer is 9 square root of 2 over